Hey guys, ShivHax here, and as you guys all know from my intro, we got ourselves the Jetson Plasma Hoverboard. Now this hoverboard has so many features and plus it lights up, so I'm really looking forward to seeing this run like super duper good, smooth, and have fun with this as well. And this is the first time of me having a hoverboard in my whole entire life, so I'm really looking forward to be very excited with this. So make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and comment below I subscribe. And let's begin with this new Jetson Plasma Hoverboard. So now let's go to the box. So right over here you can see it says it has a range of 10 miles and the speed of 10 miles and 180-degree LED light show, which is like the whole hoverboard lights up with lots of breathing colors and everything, which I will go more about in the video, so stay tuned. And also it has light up wheels, so that is pretty amazing. And there you can see a lot of specifications right over here, so pause the video and check them all out. So let's start unboxing. So right over here I got my hoverboard, and now if you want to change the lighting, you just need to simply press the one button right over here just only one time and it switches color. So you go multicolor, and then one more time breathing goes like right, now it goes left, and then one more time to get flashing, and then green and blue. So that is amazing of that it changes color. Okay, so what the main problem with this is that if you want to turn off the lights, you cannot. So it does not have the option to turn off the lights, so this is quite depressing. But you know, yeah, it should have had the turn off light feature. Hey guys, ShivHax here. While riding my hoverboard, of course. Looks pretty cool. And I actually learned it, so it's actually pretty cool, and I can do like most like tricks or something, like spinning around, of course, like this. Pretty fun. The speed of this is like 10 miles per hour, so it's like when you're exceeding that, it automatically slows you down. Look, so if I can show right now, come with me. So it has this safety features for like, you know, like children and stuff, so that they don't exceed that much. So this is a pretty awesome hoverboard. I mean, I find it much more fun, and I don't know what I'm about to say about this, but it's fabulous and amazing as well. So that is it for you guys today. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel with notifications turned on all. And if you want to buy this product, I will have the link for that in the description box below. Matter of fact, I bought it like just today, so make sure to go down in the description box below to check that out. And I'll see you guys next time. See ya and have fun!